smooth, fresh, clean. Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. I experienced severe breakouts, and finding the right treatment can be a challenge. This serum gently smooths textures and helps to clear breakouts. Step 1 is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Next is the Watermelon Glow PORE-TIGHT Toner. Next is the Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum, clarifying and retexturizing. My skin has never felt so smooth. Next is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. The last step in my routine is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen.